Hey, what up YouTube? D4G here, man. Banging out another video, man. Hey, simple video, quick video today. We're just gonna be doing unboxing, man. I got my package that came in the mail, my Ajmal. So we're gonna open it up, do an unboxing, first impression, get into it. Before we get started, man, I got a goal. I'm trying to hit 200 subscribers by the end of March. So what I need y'all to help me, help me. Hit the subscribe button, man, and the bell notification. If you've been here for at least 2 videos or more, you can check out any of our football, fragrance, or our lifestyle video. We just ask that you hit the bell, hit the subscribe button, support the channel. We greatly appreciate it, man. Thank you. All right, man, let's get into it, man. We got an unboxing today. Like I said, I just got back in town and it was at the house already, so I'm eager to see what it's like. I'm eager to see what this thing has in it. Is this juice right? I done heard some good things about it, so we're gonna see what's up. Now these only come in the Ajmal, this bottle specifically, it only comes in 50 ml. So you won't be able to get it in a 100, anything like that. Just know that it only comes in 50 ml. But box, man, you know, care about it, but I'm gonna show y'all anyway. Ajmal on the front. Wisal Dhahab. I'm still learning how to pronounce that name. Y'all gotta forgive me, man. But anyway, man, let's open this thing up. Let's see what we got inside. That out the way. Nice little something. Hey, all right, get rid of that. Now, just initial take. This is a beautiful, beautiful bottle. When I first noticed it, when I first saw this, I noticed the bottle. I didn't even know nothing about the juice. I noticed the bottle. It had popped up on Google or something, and I was like, you know what? I'm gonna have to check that one out. And then I started watching reviews on it, and got some pretty good feedback. Let's see. Little cheap little cap. Cap ain't all that, but it's not bad. Let's see what the juice is like now. Hold on. Can't smell nothing right here. I smell a box right here. Let's see. First impression. Ooh. Okay, the rose. You instantly smell the rose with this. This is nice and it's subtle. I definitely see the unisex side of it. Off of initial sprays, you can see how it works with both. I can say this right now. If you are I ain't gonna lie, like if you somebody at work, I ain't even gonna say work. Just if you country, or if you like, you gotta be somewhat refined as a man to wear this. You can't be no caveman type shit wearing this with a man. You gotta be on some sophistication, cause don't even have. Yeah, man, this isn't bad. I will say this, for some reason, off of that spray, for some reason, the initial smell hit like nail polish. I don't know why. I don't know if that helps or hurt what y'all are thinking right now. But the initial smell of it, I definitely did get like a little nail polishy feel. But as I'm smelling it, as it's just lingering and past the opening, I do smell the rose. Like the rose is very, very, very prominent in this. This isn't a bad fragrance, definitely for unisex. I'm wondering, I might have to wear this one during the week, see if I can pull this one out. You know what I'm saying? It might be something I can give to my lady or something. I don't know. It's not bad though. It's a great smell. I will say this, especially off of initial take. This is still first impressions, initial take. This is leaning more towards the feminine than the masculine. It's definitely leaning more towards the feminine. I would say like 60-40, maybe even 65-35 to where the feminine is more. It's there. Let me just say that. The feminine aspect of it is there. I feel like this would be a great unisex fragrance. I will have to wear this. I will say this. You don't want to wear this in too much heat, and it is a strong fragrance. You don't want to overdo this. Like just off of those 3 sprays alone, this whole area is going to be smelling like this. Like anytime I walk in here now, probably for the rest of the day, I know that's going to be like this is all I'm going to smell. Not bad. It's not bad. I can pull this off. I might have to wear this tomorrow and see what's up. Not a bad bottle though, man. Like I said, and this is just initial impressions. I can't tell you how many hours it's gonna last. I can't tell you the sillage. I can tell you this right now though. This is an eau de parfum concentration, and the way it's lingering in the air, it's a prominent smell. You can tell that this is gonna be one of those that projects heavy, and it's gonna give you a great sillage. I'm a heavy sprayer. I'll probably do 3, maybe 4 max on this. But on a hot day, I'll probably only do 2, cause that rose is just in there. God dog, that shit is in there good too. Like this is a good fragrance. Now, hold on, give me a second. Now, I'm not doing this for the sake of like the bottles or the smell or anything, but the projection that I'm getting, that I get from this, especially off of initial sprays, is similar. I feel the same way. Now again, I haven't tried it yet, but what I'm getting, this auto, like when I got this and I smelled it, I was instantly, that feels like it has amber oud characteristics in the performance, not in the smell, strictly in the performance on how it performs. And if you know amber oud is a great fragrance. It lasts all day. You Don't need a lot of sprays on it. That's what this is as well. And I ain't gonna, I'm eager to see what this is like. I'm gonna have to try this one out this week. That way I know if this one is gonna be Vegas ready or not. So I'll definitely keep y'all posted up on that. But again, I just wanna do a quick video, man. Just a quick little unboxing, let y'all know my first initial impressions and my initial take on what I thought about this one with Saul. Like, I think we might have us one. And then, like I said, it's a unisex fragrance as well. So it's something that ladies and men can rock. It definitely needs more so towards the feminine aspect. Hopefully that helps y'all out there. With all that being said, like I said, it's just a simple unboxing. I just wanted to give y'all my initial impressions, what y'all think about it when I initially spray it. And even as it's lingering now, like, I'm smelling more of the dry down. And I like this. I like this. I like this. Opening is definitely more feminine, but the dry down is starting to have the masculine come out in it. So again, I'm gonna do a little soft testing on it, wear it around for a little bit, see how it performs, and I'll get back on y'all and let y'all know what it's like. But hey, for right now, initial impressions, first takes, it's a good one right now. I think we got a winner. Hey, the D4G, truly blessed, destined for greatness. Thank y'all for everything. Hey, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Don't forget to like the video and the bell notification so you can always be updated. But with all that being said, D4G, truly blessed, destined for greatness. We out.